So if you want to exit and use your Fastboot mode on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, let's turn off the phone with any comfortable method. I will just do it this way. Great, our phone is turned off. Now we have to locate our power button. There it is on the right side of our phone, and our volume down button. Now let's hold those buttons simultaneously. And as you see, we're in our Fastboot mode. So you can navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons. And here you see different options. So you can start your phone, you can power off, you can open up your barcode, open up your rescue mode, open up your recovery mode, or open up or restart your bootloader. And basically that's what it does. Here you can see your product version, serial numbers, and many other useful information. So recovery mode logs you into recovery mode, restart bootloader restarts your Fastboot mode, barcode for your further information. And if you want just to power off your phone, choose power off option, for example, or let's press start for our phone to restore, and basically that is it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.